Hi everyone, my name is Enzo and I'm the co-founder and CTO of Hawksite. Today I'll be walking you through our product and how it can be useful for you. Hawksite is essentially an AI trading assistant that allows you to easily choose the best trading strategies for your security of choice. We currently support US equities and cryptocurrencies, but have more asset classes to add soon. Hawksite comes with three main features, but for this demo, we'll focus on Hawk Test, which is the flagship feature of Hawksite. Hawk Test is our powerful AI engine that allows you to find the strategy for a specific security that gives you the most profits based on historical data. In industry, this process is called backtesting and was previously only available to those who knew how to code. Through our Hawk Test feature, optimizing your strategy can be done in as few as one click. To use Hawk Test, you first have to input your desired security. For our demo, we'll look at US equities and choose the stock Tesla. Next, we choose the trading strategy that we want to test from our library of industry standard trading strategies. For now, we only have 6 strategies, but we will continue to add more, and soon we'll even allow you to build your own strategies through the platform. As a simple first choice, let's choose the strategy called SMAC, which stands for Simple Moving Average Crossover. For those not familiar, SMAC is a strategy where you plot two moving average lines, say a 10-day moving average line and a 30-day moving average line. And every time the lines cross over, it means you should either buy or sell the security. If the fast moving average, which is the 10-day moving average, crosses over from below, it means you should buy the security, while if it crosses over from above, it means you should sell the security. It's really that simple. As you can see, the defaults are already set to 10 and 30-day moving averages. We'll talk about the optimize box in the next step. We can set the rest of the parameters to their default values for now, meaning we look at the performance for the past year and assume that we're starting with $100,000 to begin with. Then we just have to click the backtest button and let the magic happen. The first table you see is the most important one, since it shows you the summary of the strategy's performance. As you can see, using the SMAC strategy with the parameters we set, we should have earned around $329,000 for a final value of $429,000. While this won't necessarily happen again in the future, this should give some idea about how much you could be earning with a simple buy and hold strategy. You can even play around with different time horizons, say last year, 6 months, or even a custom date range. The more consistent the returns, the more evidence that this suggests this strategy is a good one. From here, you can easily play around with the parameters and see how the changes affect the profitability of the strategy. For example, we can change 30 to 25. From here, we can see how that affects our performance by clicking backtest again. As you can see, making that change brings our final value up to reach around $470,000, which is around 10% higher than the previous set of parameters. Last thing I'm going to show you is to optimize the parameters for your strategy. What we mean by optimize is we want to see the best parameter value that will yield the highest profitability for our SMAC strategy. All we have to do is click the optimize box beside the parameter and set a range. For this case, let's try bring slow period back to 30, and let's try optimizing fast period. Let's set it to have the range from 5 to 20. Then we can just click backtest again. Now you'll see the results table showing multiple rows, where the top row shows that the best value for the fast moving average is 5. This is because it provides the highest profits for the past year at around $370,000. So, as you can see, optimizing your strategy is now incredibly easy with Hawksite. Thank you so much for listening.